So, hello student, namaste. This is JVN Dr. Bajraj Singh Chauhan, Associate Professor, Jyoti Vidyapith, Women's University, Jaipur, Department of FEM. Course name MSc, program name MSc Mathematics, second semester, and course name Numerical Computation. And session of today is Regula-Falsi method. So, Regula-Falsi method is given here. This method is we have to just like bisection method. So this is the regular problem of Regula-Falsi method. Here problem is given question x square minus 2x minus 1, and we have to find the root up to 3 iterations. In this problem there is 3 iteration we have to find, and another problem a more or less iteration. So in this problem, first of all, we have to written the equation fx is equal to x square minus 2x minus 1. Now our objective is to find the uh, root and lies in between. So putting the values of 0, 1, 2, 3 and check whether the sign is changed or not. So first of all we have to put fa is equal to f0 is equal to 0 square minus 20 minus 1, or it become minus 1. Now f1 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 1 is equal to minus 2. F minus 1 minus 1 square minus 2 into minus 1 minus 1 is equal to 2. These values also calculated with the help of calculator. In calculator, first of all, we have to type the equation, then putting these values simultaneously 0, 1 and minus 1. So here f0 is equal to minus 1, f1 is equal to minus 2, f1 is equal to plus 2. So sign is changed from f0 to f minus 1. First of all, we have to put f0, it gives minus 1, and put f minus 1, so it gives plus 2. So lies between, root lies between 2 and minus 1, in between 2 to minus 1. इसका आशय ये है कि 0 और माइनस 1 के बीच में इसका कोई ना कोई रूट अवश्य लाइज करेगा, क्योंकि उनके बीच में साइन चेंज हो रहा है. जब एफ फंक्शन में 0 पुट करते हैं तो निगेटिव वैल्यू देता है, और माइनस 1 पुट करते हैं तो वैल्यू पॉजिटिव देता है. सो रूट लाइज बिटवीन -1 to 0, और इंटरवल ए b is equal to -1, 0. So by the Regula-Falsi method, the formula is x is equal to a into fa minus a into fb minus b into fa upon fb minus fa. This is the formula of Regula-Falsi method. X is equal to a fb minus b fa upon fb minus fa. So first iteration was x1 is equal to a. In this interval a will be -1 and b will be 0, and fa, whenever putting the value of a in the equation we get -1, so it is again -1. Similarly, if we put f -1, it becomes 2. So putting all these value in this equation a fb minus b fa upon fb minus fa, and putting, and after solving we get the this value in the fraction form -1 upon 3, or in the decimal form -1 is divided by 3, it become -0.3333. So the value minus 3333 is lies in between -1 to 0, and this interval is more shrinking form, or it become -1 to minus 0.3333. It means again root will lies between -1 to minus 0.333. कहने का आशा ये है कि ये इंटरवल जिसकी लेंथ -1 से 0 थी, अब इसकी लेंथ और कम होके -1 से माइनस 0.3333 ये लेंथ हो गई। तो इन दोनों के बीच में रूट लाइज करेगा। इसका मतलब इंटरवल का एक छोर एफ ए -1 हो गया, दूसरा छोर बी -0.3333 हो गया। तो रूट लाइज बिटवीन -1 to -0.333. Next, second iteration was here a and f, a b is -1 -0.33, or f a we have to find 2, or b putting the value of 0.3333 in the equation, we get the solution -0.2222. This is the value of next fb. So again applying this formula, afb minus bfa upon fb minus fa. So here a is equal to -1, or fb again -1. Similarly fb is equal to -0.2223. Similarly fb and fa into b, or putting these values in the formula, and after solving x2 will be -0.3999. So fx2 will be 0.0402. Again we have to find these values with the help of calculator AB, putting these value in calculator in this manner. Again we have solve it and find the value of fx, or f at the given point. So this root is lies in between -1 to -0.3999. Again this interval is also shrinking, and it become more or less -1 to -0.399. Again in similar way we have again find the value of fa I have always -1, so its value is given, and fb whenever we put the value of this we find the fb. And next third iteration will be after putting these value we get -0.4117. So after third iteration the approximate root of this equation is equal to fx is equal to x square minus 2x minus 1 is x is equal to -0.417. So I hope you are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Thank you very much.